I'm Subodh Kulkarni, President and CEO of CyberOptics. I joined CyberOptics about a year and a half ago. Before that, I was with 3M and a spin-off of 3M Emation for many years. Before that, I was with IBM, and I grew up in the semiconductor industry. So I did my graduate studies at MIT in silicon surfaces and then carried that work into IBM. So that's my background. CyberOptics we are fundamentally a 3D sensor technology company. As the name suggests, we are focused on high precision 3D sensors using optomechanical kind of sensing devices. We recently announced a new technology in 3D sensing. We refer to it as MRS, multi-reflection suppression. As the name suggests, we have enabled multiple reflections of light that have typically hampered any sensing technology, and we have basically mitigated the reflections down so we get extremely high accuracy and speed both at the same time. It's very easy, relatively easy to get high speed if you don't care about accuracy, and get very high accuracy if you don't care about speed. What we have done with our new 3D MRS technology is we have enabled both high accuracy and speed at the same time. So we develop and manufacture sensors that we sell directly to OEMs. We take some of our SMT sensors and put them in inspection systems like solder-based inspection systems and automated optical inspection systems. The third, which we are displaying here, is the semiconductor segment where we make precision optomechanical sensors for the semi-industry. And the fourth one that we got in through acquisition last year is sensing basically 3D scanners and scanning services that are for general purpose metrology applications. So with this new MRS sensing technology that we developed and launched earlier this year, we have made great strides. We launched a 3D AOI, automated optical inspection product for the electronics industry earlier this year. It's called SQ3000, and it's getting terrific reaction in the marketplace. It is one of the fastest, if not the fastest and most accurate 3D AOI to hit the market, and we are definitely getting strong and good customer reaction from that. Another area where we have commercialized that technology is with KLA Tencor, who's a big market share leader in the back-end semiconductor inspection area. We commercialized our sensor in their latest product, and that is servicing the high-end smartphone and tablet back-end inspection systems. So we have commercialized it in two areas. Another area where we are going to commercialize it soon, that is same technology, is in the 3D scanning world. We are planning on launching a product we call CyberGauge 360, which will be an extremely fast and accurate 3D scanner to hit the marketplace. So we are really excited about the progress we have made with the new advanced sensor technology we have. And yes, the technology is proprietary. We have filed several patents on it, and we continue to file more patents. The core IP we have is the mathematical algorithms, which basically tags the light by its phases, and that's how we manage to get the multiple reflections suppressed. In the semi-industry, we have two product areas. One is WaferSense, where we have different kinds of sensors in a wafer form factor that can travel through the tool and report various different applications to improve yield and productivity. So the 5 areas where we already exist are gapping, leveling, teaching, vibration, and particle measurement. In this show, we are excited to announce a humidity measurement application. And in addition to that, what we have done is combining leveling, vibration, and humidity in the same sensor. At the same time, we have also reduced the thickness, increasing the broad number of tools that the sensor can go into now. So we have reduced the thickness to 3.5 millimeter, which basically enables it to enter just about all the tools out there. And as I said, it is doing all three, leveling, vibration, and humidity at the same time. So we have it in wafer form factor. We also have it in reticle form factor, which can enter the litho area and basically do the same things. Humidity measurement has always been an important aspect of the semiconductor processing world. Ever since the first transistors were made, humidity monitoring was always important because humidity leads to oxidation, and silicon tends to oxidize fairly easily, and even a thin oxide layer it becomes a perfect insulator, whereas a silicon by definition is a semiconductor. So monitoring humidity to monitor how much oxidation is happening has always been important. What makes it even more critical now than before is with advent of new technologies like FinFET technology that Intel pioneered a few years ago, and now it is beginning to get widespread adoption in the semiconductor world. Even the small amount of oxidation that in the past was a nuisance has become a killer now for productivity and yields. So humidity monitoring and measurement is of much more importance now than ever before, and that's why we are getting a lot of interest in this new AMS sensor that we are launching, which combines humidity measurement with leveling and vibration at the same time.